Welcome to Plugins and Snippets newest video, and today we are going to introduce you to our EDD landing pages for categories and tags plugin, newest features and updates. Recently, we have added a lot more features on this plugin that surely can help you to better use download categories and tags as landing pages. So, let's get started. So here's our standard download category page. We notice that there's no way to add more content, text, and images in order to better optimize this page for SEO. Also, it's a bit hard to navigate through these downloads in front of you. There's literally not much we can do. So, we need a way to greatly enhance and improve our download categories and tag pages. That is now why we have developed this plugin. If I activated our plugin and reload this page, this is now what it looks like. We have to take note of three valuable features brought by our plugin. First, you can notice the new filter buttons up here and a drop down for cross tag filters, this one. So let's try clicking one of these. For example, if we click on the Freelancer Marketplace subcategory, let's see, now we only have the downloads related to the subcategory. So if we unclick on that and click on the multi-vendor marketplace, yes, we can also see the downloads related for that subcategory only. The second feature is that our plugin adds a new text field below the downloads listed, simply adding a bottom description field on your download category and tag pages. This is also how the backend description field editor looks like. So let's check out the backend. Now, again, we can see here the description and a bottom description. This allows us to edit these fields using the WordPress built-in rich text editor, where you can add a style and customize your text, add links, images, and others better than before so as to optimize your download category and tag pages for SEO. So let's try adding an image in our bottom description by clicking on the Add Media here. Let's choose any of our photos. And let's wait for it to load. Now we already have an image here, so we just need to update this page and reload on the front end. These features greatly enhance your download category and tag landing pages by giving ease to customers to locate downloads they are looking for and better optimizing these pages for SEO by adding more text and images. A new great feature of this plugin is the set of shortcodes you can use to create directories, lists, and carousels with your download categories and tags to be inserted on any page. First is the shortcode to create a directory of your download tags and download categories. Here is the shortcode itself, this one, as well as the look when these shortcodes are triggered on any page. So this is what it looks like. And also, let's see the directory shortcodes for the downloads or the categories. You can customize this list any way you want, like changing the number of rows and columns, length of description, assign image for each download category and tag, and others depending on the shortcode attribute that you will use. Let's try making an example of how to fine-tune these shortcodes. Here's the shortcode, so this one. Example with limited characters and no thumbnail. So we simply go to the backend page and make a few changes to add more text and an image thumbnail. So let's go to the backend page, this one. And let's do our description length to 100 and thumbnail, let's say true. Then we click on Save Changes and Update. So we now reload the page and see how the list looks like. So there we have it. We have more text here, more description, and the image thumbnail was now here. Now, if you simply want to insert a short list or carousel of your download categories and tags on any page of your choice, you can just use these 4 shortcodes to do it. We have shortcodes to create a simple list and also shortcodes to create a carousel slider. So here's our shortcodes. We have the shortcodes for the download categories, lists, and carousels. And also, we have our shortcodes for the download tags, lists, and carousel. You can also customize and fine-tune these shortcodes by using the available shortcode attributes as well. You can find those by visiting our documentation or plugin settings page. So let's try taking a sample blog post, this one, and insert one of the shortcodes. So we simply, let's try copying one of the shortcodes here. See the carousel one. And insert, go to the back end and insert the shortcode. So we remove the empty space before and after and click on the update. Then we go to the blog page again and reload the page. Then we have our shortcode here. Now we can check the settings page to see what are the shortcode attributes that are available. So this one, again, it is our settings page for this plugin. And if we scroll down here, we can see the shortcode attributes. Going back to the page, we can see some examples here. Let's scroll down. Here we have a category list with 3 columns and rows in order by name ascending. We have 4 columns in order by name descending. Then we have 6 columns with no image thumbnail with 8 columns. And for the carousel, we have the slow speed and the fast speed. For the other one, we have tag list and carousels. Also, we have 3 columns without image thumbnails, 4 columns ordered by descending, 6 columns ordered by ascending, more columns, and the carousels as well. With our EDD landing pages for download categories and tags plugin, you can now turn your download category and tag pages into powerful landing pages which can improve creating text and feature-rich product category and tag pages, site navigation, and the overall user-friendliness of your EDD store. All these features aim to increase the sales conversion rate of your web store. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to visit us on www.pluginsandsnippets.com or just send us an email to info@pluginsandsnippets.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel as more tutorial and walkthrough videos will be posted regarding new plugin releases and feature updates. Thank you!